The UK has a choice: keeping and maintaining the status quo and missing out on key innovation, or focusing on one single priority, which is to introduce more favorable conditions for AI developers to train their AI models in the UK. And this can only be achieved with an exemption to copyright. The EU, Japan, and the US have more favorable copyright regimes in place than the UK. And the UK needs to acknowledge this global trend of more permissive copyright regime if it wants to continue to advance technological development, especially in the area of artificial intelligence. The EU has a text and data mining exemption in place. The US have a fair use doctrine, and Japan has a rather friendly copyright regime when it comes to AI training. If the UK does not align with this global trend, it risks harming its own industry, pushing its own developers towards more favorable jurisdictions, and risks also missing out on key technological developments that will take place elsewhere. Transparency is, of course, meaningful and important, but it needs to be done right. The risks of transparency in this very specific area, meaning sharing or disclosing training data that went into AI models, is on the one hand to decrease competition and force companies to release very sensitive confidential information and trade secrets. And on the other hand, there is a huge security risk. Malicious actors with this disclosure or this data disclosure can poison data and thereby endanger the safety of AI models.